I don't doubt that the planes were there, the plane hit the building, but before, and one of the experiences that I said even when I was pulled from the rubble on 9/11 is that there was an initial explosion on the sub-level number 2, B2. There were 6 sub-levels in the building prior the plane hitting the building, and I believe that was an explosion set up by explosive to actually weaken the foundation.
And nothing will ever change your mind that you think?
I was there. I saved people. I actually had the people available for the 9/11 Commission. That was the commission that was created to investigate this. They were never called, not even once. They're still available 5 years after, and the government came out with an official story that went against our experience on that day.
Dødstallet er foreløbig nået op på 150, mens 1500 er meldt her.
Internationale forskere har fundet spor af sprængstoffer i ruinerne af World Trade Center. I en ny videnskabelig artikel får det forskerne til at konkludere, at det formentlig ikke var sammenstødende med de 2 kaprede fly, der i 2001 fik World Trade-tårnene til at kollapse. Så vender vi blikket imod 9/11, det store angreb i New York. Det var nemlig formentlig ikke sammenstødet med de 2 kaprede fly, der i 2001 fik de 2 tvillingetårne til at kollapse. Det konkluderer i hvert fald en netop offentliggjort videnskabelig artikel. Internationale forskere har gjort fund af sprængstoffet nanotermit i ruinerne af de sammenstyrtede tårne, og sprængstoffet kan ikke stamme fra de 2 fly. Tværtimod tyder undersøgelserne på, at det formentlig i forvejen var anbragt i bygningerne, og der er altså tale om flere tons sprængstof.